Students, welcome to Dhruvika classes. This is class 10th lecture. Subject is maths, topic trigonometry, subtopic problem based on the ratios of trigonometry. In the previous two classes, we are just discussing about the ratios of trigonometry. Now we solve problem related to it. If sin b is 1 by 2, show that 3 cos b minus 4 cos cube b is equal to 0. This is the problem given to us and we have to solve it. So suppose we can imagine a triangle like this. This angle is 90 degree and this is angle B. Suppose this is B, C, A, and this angle B we are considering here. So if this is angle B and sin theta is 1 by 2, it is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So can we find base using Pythagoras theorem? So using Pythagoras theorem in triangle BAC, P square plus B square is equal to H square, we know. So 1 square plus B square is equal to 2 square. 1 plus B square, 2 square we know is 4. So B square is 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. So B is equal to root over of 3 and you take plus and minus. As distance is always positive, so here we take B as root 3. Okay. So B has come as root 3, that is base. So what is cos theta? We have learned cos theta is base by hypotenuse. This B and this B is different. This is base, here it is depicting base. So this B is formula, but that is also base. So we can write it as root 3 by H. What is H? It is already given as 2. So cos theta is root 3 by 2. So now we come to the problem. How to solve it? This is 3 cos B. Cos B is root 3 by 2 minus 4 cos cube B. Root 3 by 2 whole cube. Now we solve it. 3 root 3 is as it is by 2 minus 4 into root 3 cube is root 3. How many times we have to multiply? 3 times. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 into root 3, 3 root 3. And 2 cube is 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now if something is cancelled out, we can do it. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So what it is coming now? You can see it is coming as 3 root 3 by 2 minus 3 root 3 by 2. And how much it is? It is equal to 0. That is our RHS. So this type of question, this is our LHS and this is our RHS. So this we can prove by using this trigonometric ratio. Now we come to next question. Question number 2 is, if 16 cot A is equal to 12, find the value of sin A plus cos A by sin A minus cos A. Okay. Suppose this is the question. So 16 cot A is 12. So we can write 16 cot A is equal to 12, means we can write cot A is equal to 12 by 16. If you cancel out with 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. It is 3 by 4. So what is cot A actually? Cot A is reciprocal of tan A, that is B by P. Now in triangle, what is B here? Base 3, perpendicular is 4. So using Pythagoras theorem, if you apply Pythagoras theorem, you can see it is Pythagorean triplet and this will come out as 5. So one way is, so if hypotenuse is 5, you can easily put sin A is how much? Perpendicular by hypotenuse, and cos A is base by hypotenuse. So you can very well put in this. Sin A is how much? Sin A plus cos A will become how much? 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5, and sin A minus cos A is equal to 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5, that is equal to 7 by 5 and this is 1 by 5. If we put it in the question, how much it is? 7 by 5 by 1 by 5. We can reciprocate it. So it will be how much? The answer is 7. Answer is 7. The another method for this is, you can do one more way, that is sin A plus cos A. You can divide this by sin A. Suppose you divide it by sin A, both numerator and denominator. This is another way. By this, using this method also, you can solve many problems. Dividing both numerator and denominator by sin A. So how much you are getting? Sin A by sin A is 1. Cos A by sin A is cot A, by sin A by sin A is 1. Cos A by sin A is cot A. Now all this process you can skip now. If you do this second method, you don't have to find hypotenuse h. Directly you can do it. So 1 plus, what is cot A? 3 by 4 by 1 minus 3 by 4. 1 plus 3 by 4 is 4 ones are 4 plus 3, 7 by 4. 4 ones are 4 minus 3, 1 by 4. And this will come out 7 by 4 into 4 by 1, that is equal to 7. So in the second method, you can skip all the process of finding hypotenuse and finding sin A and cos A separately. You can directly use cot A, and trick is first change it into cot A, that is divide both numerator and denominator by sin A.